Hello everyone, today I will show you how to design a table in Microsoft Word. Open your Word file. Now select insert option and select table option. Now I'll insert a table, this table, and increase this table area. Also you can move this table. Okay. Now drag your mouse and select whole table. Now select design option already selected. And I'll design table border first. This border color. Border style, I'll choose this one, and border thickness, I'll choose 4. Now I'll add border on outside of the table and select here outside border and see this inside border thin and outside border thin. Now I'll design inside border. Essence, I'll add this border and color, I'll choose this one, line thickness 2. And now select border option, inside border, inside border, and see this tail border already says and outside border and inside border are different. Now I'll add background color. Now select table. Here you will find the shading option. You can choose here any background color. This one. In this way you can design your table as you like or as you want. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.